Hello and welcome. If you find this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting that subscribe button. To design a vehicle from scratch, from nothing, you need a blueprint. So I found this blueprint in the internet, and I found that the edges of the blueprint match. Because if you go in here in Google, a lot of these don't really match. Like this, for example, these mirrors don't match, and the length are all messed up. So what we need to do is go into the right viewport. Holding down Shift and V will bring up the viewport. Into the viewport, we're gonna load in this template that we downloaded. We're gonna use a cube as a reference, like a anchor point for this blueprint. So in here it even says the length, so we're gonna make the length 4 meters and 78 centimeters. So 478, that's our length. The height is set in here, it's 1136. So this is our height, the Y. So we've set the length and the height. So now all we need is to move the blueprint like this, but obviously checking if the corners do match perfectly, because if they don't, you're gonna have trouble lining the edges of the vehicle. After you've lined the top view and the side view, you can start modeling the meshes. You can obviously model the mesh whatever way you like. I like using a plane, reducing the polygons to like 4 or 5, making it editable, and then just moving the dots to where they should be. Like this. And being extra careful with the topology, because we're gonna need that later. So once again, be very careful with the topology, making it as nice as you can make it. Now, if you've done the topology correctly, you should end up with something like this. This is just the start, obviously. Next, you want to do the whole entire body.